Well, hello. In today's STL Moms Report, it's time to talk about mommy makeovers. Dr. William Huffaker of the St. Louis Cosmetic Surgery is joining us today. How are you?
Morning.
What exactly is a mommy makeover?
Well, Christine, a mommy makeover is really an attempt to reshape and to restore some of the luster that women have lost from their bodies following the birth of their children. And so typically women lose some volume from their breast, and they'll get a little loose skin in their tummy and maybe stretch marks as well. And unfortunately, maybe a little plumpness around the edges. And so with a mommy makeover, we try to enlarge the breast a little bit, restore that volume that they've lost. Sometimes we need to lift the breast as well, tighten the tummy, and take off a little bit of the extra plumpness around the edges. So
when you say mommy makeover, if somebody had a child, many years ago, are they still someone that would qualify?
Sure. The age is not very relevant as long as you're in good health. Certainly safety is very important to us, and we don't want to do this on anybody who has some serious health problems. And over the age of 50, we get medical clearance from their internist. Sometimes people don't tell us everything we need to know about their medical condition.
People will hold things back.
Yes, sometimes some significant things.
Yeah, that's amazing. I bet you do discover that, and then you and then you see it in the, or you find out that's got to be surprising.
Yes. I stress to patients that they need to tell the anesthesiologist everything.
Yes.
They need to confess everything, because if anesthesia is aware of it, they're unlikely that they can't treat problems.
And maybe that is something that would prevent a lot of women from doing this, because they have to tell everything. But after all, you're doctors. It's not like you sit there and dwell over what that person told you.
That's right, and it's not going to make the papers or the TV station or anything like that. So it's in private.
Do you notice that there's a sort of a commonality with women, that they feel a little guilty sometimes about paying attention to themselves like this?
Well, they do, and a lot of times women come in and they say, well, it's too much money to spend on myself. My family needs this, my family needs that, and maybe the kids are going to college and we need to wait till the kids are through college. And so a lot of times women put themselves last, and sometimes you just have to treat yourself.
Because sometimes the rewards are so great that your family ends up better for it, because you feel so much better about yourself.
Well, sometimes it helps the relationship, and not because of the male, but if a lady feels better about herself, she enters into that relationship much better. She feels more confident, and if you feel good about yourself, just like if you go out and get a new dress, you feel good.
Right.
No other reason than that. If you feel good about yourself, you'll have a better relationship.
Right. So self-image is important. Well, okay. Well, Mommy Makeover, you can find out all about it. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.
And all you have to do is go to our website at kpr11.com, and you can find out all of the details. Well, spring may be on the way, but now is the time to get a great deal on winter clothing. Margie Elliser shows you how in today's Money Saver.
Now is the time to check out final clearance sales. A lot of companies are doing it. A couple of places that I found is Children's Place online for up to 80% off. Many items are just $4.99 and under. These are going quickly, though, so check to see if they have the size you need. Also, go to Sears online, type in performance gear. They have winter coats for kids that retail for $70. Now you can get them for just $14.99. Choose in-store pickup to save even more. For more info, check out stlmoms.com. Just click on Margie's Money Saver, or for even more deals, Facebook.